Imagine a computer predicting the intricate twists and turns of a protein, unlocking secrets that once took scientists years to uncover. Thanks to artificial intelligence, this is now reality. AI-powered protein folding, led by breakthroughs like DeepMind's AlphaFold, has revolutionized how we understand biology at the molecular level. Proteins are the workhorses of life, and knowing their 3D structures is vital for designing new drugs and therapies. Traditionally, deciphering these shapes was slow, expensive, and often impossible for many proteins. Now, advanced AI algorithms can predict accurate protein structures in mere hours, drastically accelerating research timelines. Pharmaceutical companies are harnessing this technology to identify drug targets, design more effective treatments, and even develop therapies for diseases once considered untreatable. The implications are enormous: faster vaccine development, personalized medicine tailored to individual patients, and the potential to tackle rare and complex conditions. With AI, the once impossible puzzle of protein folding is being solved, opening new frontiers in drug discovery and transforming the future of medicine.